The Sounds of Birds at Noon by Dalia Ravikovich. The plot of this is a poetic reflection on life's quiet, fleeting beauty, and the summary of this is a contemplates nature and human emotion. The Sound of the Bird at Noon. Analysis. Ravikovich poetry often weaves personal emotion with universal themes, reflecting her sensitivity to human suffering and the beauty of the natural world. This poem likely contrasts the scene of the serene sounds of birds with the complexity of life, symbolizing a moment of calm amid chaos. Her work frequently engaged with themes of grief, loss, and resilience. The Sound of Birds at Noon. Reflection. Dalia Ravikovich poem The Sound of Birds at Noon captures the stillness and simplicity of life during quiet moments. The imagery of birds singing at noon evokes a scene of calm and reflection, reminding us to appreciate the beauty of nature and the peace that comes with solitude. The poem subtly hints at the contrast between life's busyness and the moments when everything seems to pause, encouraging readers to find balance in their lives.